Today we'll be making Chinese almond cookies. All the measurements and ingredients can be found below. In a large mixing bowl, add in almond flour, salt, and unsalted butter. In your stand mixer, mix until combined. Once combined, we'll add in an egg and some almond extract. Then continue to mix using your stand mixer. Now we'll add in our all-purpose flour, sugar, and baking soda. Continue to mix. Now that it's done mixing, we'll move it to a sheet and we'll combine the dough together. Using a scoop, divide your cookie dough. Then flatten each cookie. Top your cookie with an almond piece. Use one egg to prepare your egg wash and then brush on top of each cookie. Bake your cookies at 325 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And there you have it, delicious Chinese almond cookies. Enjoy!